Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how I do my French nails without any polish or pink and white acrylic. So to start, I'm going to prep my nails, and the first thing that I do is push my cuticles back with this cuticle pusher. Then I'm taking my e-file and buffing my nails gently. This is to get rid of the shine off of the nails. Clearly you don't see any shine on my nail, and that is because I just soaked off my last acrylic set. And it's a very important step, and I'll tell you in a second why. Now I'm going to apply these white tips to my nails, and I'm using the Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue. Okay, so don't judge me, but I do use these small scissors to cut my tips, and I do want these fairly long. Then I will be cutting the sides of the tips so that I can create that coffin shape that everyone loves so much. Then I take my hand file and go in to shape my nails the way that I want them. I do go in kind of hard, especially with this set, because these nail tips are very strong and sturdy. They're not flimsy at all. So yeah, I do have to put more pressure when shaping them. Now I'm going in with the Mia Secret Nail Prep. It's a dehydrator, and it does exactly that. It dehydrates the nail so that you can apply the primer. And what this does is it helps bond the acrylic to your natural nail and prevents lifting. That's why I said before, if you do not buff your natural nails before applying anything, whether it be gel or acrylic, you will get lifting. For this next step, I'm using the Mia Secret Liquid Monomer, the clear acrylic powder, and my Kolinsky acrylic brush. And I will be using those to apply the acrylic. Okay, so this is my favorite part, you guys. I go ham with my e-file. This might be the longest step, well, for me anyway, because I do prefer my acrylic to be thick. So I do take a pretty long time to buff them and making sure that it comes out nice and smooth. Now I'm going to coat my nails with the Gelish Top It Off Clear Gel, and after that I will cure under the LED for 60 seconds. So here is the finished look. I love how it came out, especially with the coffin shape. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you next time.